Eli Gould was found murdered this morning. Someone broke into his law firm and bled him to death. Wrote the word greed on the floor. Nelson's heading up the investigation. Oh, the coroner sent this down for you. Found him in the fat boy's stomach, mixed in with food. They were fed to him.
Found on the wall behind the refrigerator, the obesity murder scene.
Long is the way and hard that out of hell leads up to light.
It's from Milton. Paradise Lost. It means that this is beginning. You can expect 5 more of these.